After plying his auto rickshaw in Delhi for 30 years, Maam Kohli has a hard time in winter when smog envelops the city.
I get constriction. I get breathlessness. When diesel vehicles spew fumes, I get affected.
Health professionals have expressed alarm about the city's hazardous air, saying even a healthy resident's lungs can resemble that of a smoker after some years. The culprit? Concentrations of fine particulate matter that often exceed 15 times the safe limit. Randeep Guleria, head of the pulmonary medicine department at the country's premier public hospital, calls the problem acute.
Levels of pollution are very, very bad. The admissions goes up significantly for people who have respiratory problems and even cardiac problems.
The toxic air is the result of several sources, such as construction dust and smoke from burning trash. But the biggest contributor is the fumes from the 9 million vehicles that clog Delhi's streets. In the first half of January, New Delhi's government took the first emergency measure to curb pollution, ordering odd and even-numbered vehicles to use roads on alternate days. The Supreme Court last month banned trucks over 10 years old from entering the city and has halted the sale of large, luxury diesel vehicles in the Indian capital. Environmentalists are urging longer-term measures, such as scaling up the city's notoriously poor public transport. Anumita Chowdhury, with New Delhi's Centre of Science and Environment, says the city must control the exponential growth in private vehicles.
We have made it very easy to own and use a car and not make them pay the real cost of using public space for parking, using the road space for driving. This hidden subsidy has made usage of car much cheaper in Delhi, and therefore there is no control, no restraint on cars.
As authorities consider measures to limit the number of cars on the streets on a longer-term basis, many Delhi residents are ready to do their part. After watching one of her 2 school-going sons suffer wheezing and eye allergies related to air pollution, Shivani Dayal Kapoor has vowed to reduce her family's car trips.
Every day I'm thinking, oh God, tomorrow how am I going to send Jay for his cricket? How am I going to figure this out? But it has to be done. And I think it's just a way of life that we have to get used to.
Environmentalists hope such changing attitudes will give momentum to the small start at tackling the problem. Anjana Pasricha for VOA News, New Delhi.